Hey everyone! Okay, so we are going to dive into creating dope sales pages that sell. So, first of all, you came up with your name and it's so exciting, and you got clear on your point A, where they're at, the point B, where they're going to be after, and then the bridge is how to get them there. And then you pretty much do the same thing on your courses. So, in your sales page, I'm going to go over what to include. So at the top, definitely have a picture of you or an image if you can. It's good to see faces, okay? So break the rules. This is what it is. At the very top, before you scroll, this is above the fold, put what is in it for them. What is the result of them taking action and getting this course? What is the result of them hiring you? Whatever it is, have the result at the top above the fold. Above the fold is before, it's the landing page and the landing space before you scroll, okay? This is what hooks them and gets them to scroll. This is crucial, okay? So here it is. They sign high ticket clients, they create content that sells, become a powerful and paid coach, like legit, there you go. Then here's more results. You create more fun, happiness in your life, sign high ticket clients now. And then this is point A. So you want to catch them. You want to be so specific. Here it is. And I get clear and change up your verbiage. So stop being like, oh, you're creating boring content and you want to stand out. No, you want to get really, really clear. Like, what are they struggling at? What's very specific ideas so that when you say it, they're like, oh my gosh, that's me. So some of this, you are sick of hiding behind a screen, pretending to be perfect and put together when the real you is fun, unique, and stand out. So that spoke to people. And then break the rules spoke to a lot of the people that I talked to. They're like, oh, I was really interested because I'm a rule breaker. I hate following stuff. And so I even could have included that more. And then after your course, where do they get specific? Try and make it quantifiable. Make it quantifiable as in maybe they build a course in a month or they're more confident, and what is the result of being confident. So don't just say like vague things like confident, success, beauty, weight loss. Get specific. Like, you have a clear, specific routine for your fitness program. You love yourself, so now you're having better sex. You are having more pleasure in your life. With your husband, you're attracting better men and having better dates and being in your power. Like, get specific. Don't just write vague things. Also, noted, you want to have multiple areas for them to buy. So after this, bam, here you go. Who is this for? Get specific, have some urgency, and then break down what do they get? What is the process broken down real easy? And then what do they get? And try and get as specific as possible. How do they get there? Why is this good? And then have your prices, okay? And I always like to have paid in full and, group payment plans. And you can either have them listed or a button to click to see how much it is. So you can do either. It's all about testing, 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 testing. So you could try this, see if it works, see if it works if an application is better, see if it works to join a program first. For me, I'm launching Become a Sex Goddess. And what's really been successful for me is, as you can see, what happens when you take this course, Become a Sex Goddess, great. But then what's been really good is they can sign up for my free trainings by joining my group. And I haven't really seen anybody else do this, but I already had like 12 people join my group. And then I didn't have to have a whole other sales page or lead page, which is so great. What would be great is maybe adding which days and what topics I'm covering right here. But so far the conversion ratio is really good. And then they click to join my training in my group, and then it asks for an email. So update that, have them ask for an email. So it's like I don't know, I feel like it's like a, you know, two rocks, or I can't remember the phrase, but you know, I'm hitting the nail on the head really easily. Okay? And then same thing, I do this with all of my programs. Who is this for? What is it? And then if you can, add like maybe some testimonials at the end. This one I didn't have any. Oh, and then I broke it down. So at the very bottom, I really broke it down. I got into like what we're covering each week, bullet point. This was also covered on my outline. And then, you know, if they wanted to do a VIP. Also, you can have an application. I had just a little bit about me. And then testimonials. You want to have testimonials. And then what I learned, this one, same thing. What do they get out of it at the top? Great. Here's an option that they can like sign up for something. What do they get? Testimonials at the bottom. And what I did with this one is I cut pieces of testimonials to make it shorter that applied for just this training. Okay? And multiple areas to sign up. Same thing. Testimonials, I have a video testimonial right here. And then I even have like screenshots of people working with me. And I try and highlight, these should definitely be smaller. But see, I highlight what they're doing. In fact, maybe, you know, blurring off some other parts might help it stand out a little more. Taking off the battery and stuff. And make sure and ask people for permission. Okay, great. Now, I think we covered it. And I think we covered it. Have multiple places for people to sign up. Okay? Oh, and then last thing. This is ClickFunnels. There's ClickFunnels and Leadpages. I have an affiliate link if you want to do that, and you get 14 days for free. It's $97 a month. It is expensive, but doing these Leadpages, you pretty much, I just copy this and then edit it for new courses, new funnels, and it just saves me so much time, and it's very, very worth it. So go ahead and ask me if you want to do a free trial for the affiliate link. Please get it from me. And then check your mobile. You guys, this is so important. How many times are you using your mobile phone? So make sure it's simplified. So for this, great. Look how simple. This is what they get. Now they can join my group for free trainings. Perfect. Here's the results. It's easy. Great. Maybe I should even have a link to buy right there. Simple, easy, buy right there. This is why you want multiple links, because if you have it so long and so much context, then they don't ever see the link. They never see the option to buy. You want to have like 3 or 4 different options to buy and buttons to click. That way they're not like, oh my gosh, I have to scroll all the way to the top to find it. Make it easy for them to purchase. Also, change your background colors if you can. Add pictures. You don't want it all just one white page with a bunch of different text all in paragraph form. Try and make it easy. Bullet points, color schemes, different colors. Make it really easy to stand out and get a gist of what this is when you just scroll through it, okay? And have pictures of you and ways to break it up. Okay, great. I think that's all we got. So I'm going to go ahead and end this. Let me know if you guys have any other questions.